In this video, I will show you how to set up Spotify on your smart mirror through the Google Assistant module. Please refer to my last video, which I will link, that goes through how to set up the Google Assistant module on your Magic Mirror. The first thing you would have to do is to go to the Spotify for Developers page and go to Dashboard and log into your account. Please note that in order for the mirror to play music back to you, you would need to have a premium Spotify account. Make sure to agree to all the terms of condition, and it should take you to a page where you can create an app. Name it whatever you want and then just create it. Once you create the app, you will be taken to a page where it shows your client ID as well as client secret. Make sure to save those into a document somewhere or write it down. Then you want to go to Edit Settings and type that link into the redirect URIs and add that in. And then save it. After that, go back to your mirror, either through VNC or just on the mirror itself, and go to the config of your Magic Mirror. Under the config for the Google Assistant module, go down to Spotify and change Use Spotify to True. Then under Visual, you want to type in the client ID and client secret that you saved from earlier. Next, you want to go to your terminal and go to the MMM-GoogleAssistant folder and then run LibreSpot. This allows the mirror to play back Spotify audio for you to hear. Please note though, this only works if you have a premium account. This installation does take a while, so don't worry if it keeps running. Once that is installed, you want to go back to Terminal and go to the MMM Google Assistant folder again. But this time, you want to run tokens. If you already previously installed tokens for the Google Assistant or YouTube, you don't have to do it again, and you can just do it for Spotify. Once you say yes, the screen should pop up and then you should agree to it. Once that is done, you should go double check that the Spotify token was created, and you do that by going into the folders and going to Magic Mirror, Modules, Google Assistant, Tokens, and checking that the token has been created. So now you're almost done and you just need to add a few more lines to your config. So under the player, you want to do type and do LibreSpot because that's what we installed, and type in your email and password. I will leave a link to my configuration in the description down below so you guys can look at it for reference. Next, you just have to add the Spotify extension to the Google Assistant module recipes. Lastly, you want to scroll up and make sure that the Use exe is true under the Google Assistant module. Make sure to save everything and then you can exit it and run your mirror. So if you set up auto start like I did, then you can just do PM to start MM, or you can just do it the normal way and go to the Magic Mirror folder and do npm start. When you're done everything, this is what it should look like.
Jarvis, playlist Queen's Greatest Hits on Spotify.
Here's a summary from open.spotify.com. Greatest hits. Play the Game. Remastered 2011 Queen. 7 Seas of Rye. Remastered 2011 Queen. Body Language. Remastered 2011 Queen. Save Me. Remastered 2011 Queen. Don't Stop Me Now. Remastered 2011 Queen. And more.
Jarvis, Spotify next. Jarvis, Spotify Volume 50.